Hey guys, so I just want to share a quick, what's it called, a life hack for not getting an index out of range exception all the time in Ninja. So for example, here's a scenario. Imagine you got an indicator where your period is this big, okay, and then and by saying period, I mean that basically in order for this indicator to start, it has to look back like, I don't know, let's say 10 bars, okay? And then you got another one, which is 20 bars, and then you got one more, which is like 30 bars, okay? So inside your code, inside your own bar update method, right, what's happening is like you're looking back either this, or this, okay? So basically what will happen, so on bar index 0, you'll get an index out of range exception because obviously there is no bar before this bar. Okay, so you have to, like, your first valid value would have to be 30. Okay, so because that's when you can actually look back 30 bars. Okay, so and these are also dynamic because you're assumingly, right, you're setting these inside your parameters, all right, and they can be 50, 100, or whatever. Okay, so you don't know what they're going to be. Okay, and you can have like many. Okay, so what are you gonna do? So your classical like solution would be to say like if current bar, right? If current bar is, I don't know, less than 5, return. Okay, but problem is like you don't know this 5. You don't know it's going to be 5 or 10 or 20. You're gonna have like different dynamic values, and so how do you actually decide which one is gonna be bigger? So just a quick workout, right? So create a method called first valid value, and every time you add a new indicator, right, which is like gonna have a whatever value, right, that you need to wait for until this thing initializes, just add it to. Like, so like if you have just one indicator, just go for V1, okay? Now, if you add one more, you're now getting the max from either V1 or this parameter. If you add one more, you're getting a max out of V2, between V2 and V3. So, and just keep on adding them, and you just return the last one, okay? And you'll never get an index out of range exception, all right? So, check it out. Hope this helps. Thanks.